Hey everyone, and thanks for getting locked in with your girl Key. This is your girl Key, and on this channel, Teach, Pray, Slay, it's all about just that. Teaching, praying, slaying our beauty, lifestyle, and goals together. So, this is going to be a slay video, all about slaying Valentine's Day while being single. So, if you want to hear these tips and tricks, go ahead and stay tuned. Let's go! So, in today's video, I am going to be talking all about a singles Valentine's Day date. What should you do as a single on Valentine's Day? Before I jump into these tips and tricks, make sure you have already clicked that red subscribe button and you have turned it gray and became a slayer. If you are already a slayer, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Now let's jump into these tips. All right, so tip number 1 is read a self-love book or write a love letter to yourself. So I do this constantly, and I love writing love letters to myself because it tells me how much I appreciate myself. And a lot of times we do not tell ourselves that we love ourselves, and we take care of other people and rather taking care of ourselves. So on Valentine's Day, take care of you. By reading a self-love book, it will give you more tips and tricks on actually making sure you place self-love into your life, in your daily life. So therefore, I love reading self-love books, or I love reading self-help books. It just motivates me to promote more self-love into my life. So read a self-love book, write a love letter to yourself, and just show yourself that gratitude and that love that you want others to give you. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is throw a singles only party. Okay, invite your friends over, throw a singles only party, and have some appetizers, some snacks, whatever you want to have, of course some drinks, whatever, but throw a party and invite all your singles, all your single friends, and just have a blast. Okay, and y'all, when y'all have that party, get a bonfire and just throw out all that stuff that you have harboring and have been harboring over exes and work or whatever is holding you back. Burn it that night. It will just be so much fun. It'll add a theme to the party. And yeah, so if you're single and you throw a singles only party, have fun. Like literally have fun, y'all, for real. Oh, and exchange gifts. If you have a singles only party, bring gifts, y'all. Bring gifts, bring treats. If it's chocolates, whatever, but make sure your friends feel love. So number 3, you want to make sure you treat yourself. If that is getting a massage, if that is getting a facial, whatever helps you to feel loved and feel happy, treat yourself to that. If that is going out buying your most expensive purse, if that is getting flowers for yourself, treat yourself. So you want to make sure you treat yourself on Valentine's Day so you can feel the love from yourself. So it's no better love than self-love, besides of course loving God if you are religious. But however, yes, self-love is like the best love. So treat yourself. Okay. Go out of town. This is number 4. And what I mean by that is go somewhere and treat yourself. Like Valentine's Day this year is on the weekend. And it is just fun to actually like get out of the town. I'm not saying because, you know, it is pandemic and COVID and all that other stuff, but if you can drive down to like a beach and just stay in a hotel by yourself, like literally have a staycation somewhere and just chill out. No worries. Put everything, all your stress aside, and literally just chill out. Y'all just chill. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. Just chill. All right, so go out of town. Now get dressed and wear something sexy that day. Like, be so cute that you just can't stand it. Like, you keep looking in the mirror and just be like, girl, ooh, I think my butt being big. Like, y'all, get sexy. Dance around the house. Like, am I the only one that feels so good after I dance around the house, like, by myself? I don't know why, but it just puts you in the mood to just conquer everything. I don't know why. Is that just a me thing? It might be just a me thing, but I love looking in the mirror and dancing. Like, that's just me. I love laughing at myself also. So, hey, I don't know. All right, so you want to wear something sexy. Take some pictures, y'all. Take some pictures. Get those selfies in. Okay. All right, now this one is pamper yourself. This is kind of goes along with treat yourself, but you want to pamper yourself. If that means taking a bath, a long hot bath, listening to some music, literally buying yourself some chocolate strawberries, y'all, and some champagne, and just chilling, y'all. Just pamper yourself. Give yourself that extra special care that day. So that's another one. The next one is get a massage. Go to a massage therapist and get a massage. I don't get a lot of massages because, like, it's just not for me. I like them, but yeah, it's not for me. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, anyhow, have a Sex in the City marathon, like, y'all, or your favorite girly movie, whatever your favorite girly movie is, but have a Sex in the City marathon, or a girly movie marathon, and literally binge watch and just have fun. Drink some wine, drink some fruit, eat some fruit and just literally relax. Again, relax. Okay. And last but not least, have and plan a date night with your bestie. So if you are watching this before Valentine's Day, make sure you go ahead and let your bestie know that y'all are going to go on a date. Make sure y'all exchange some gifts and just have fun with your bestie, going out to eat and literally talking junk about y'all life. Like, I love being with my best friends or talking to my best friends because I could literally talk junk about my life or people that was in my life. Like, what is life without a best friend? Because it's just like, you kind of need them because they're the only people that know so much about you. And yeah, like, I don't know how my life would be without a best friend, but I digress. Anywho, take your best friend on a date and y'all just have fun, okay? Even if it is going out. No, don't go out during COVID, y'all. I don't know. If you live in Atlanta, please stop going out, y'all. Like, our numbers is going up, but I'm just digressing. But so yeah, that is all the ideas and tips and tricks I have for singles for Valentine's Day. If you have a tip, go ahead and leave that down below. If you are single and you want to let us know what you're doing so we can get some ideas on how to slay Valentine's Day, go ahead and leave that and comment down below. And if you are not a slayer, go ahead and click that red subscribe button and turn it gray. If you're old, again, thank you so much for support. And as always, and all you do, make sure you are teaching, praying, and slaying. I'll see you all next time, and all my videos are done with love. Keep.